Good morning, students. In the last video, we studied about the denseness property of rational numbers. In today's video, we will be discussing about the decimal representation to identify irrational numbers.
Can anyone tell me whether this number 0.025 is rational or irrational? Yes, it is a rational number. Do you know why we represent it as a rational number? It is a terminating decimal expansion. The term terminating means it has an end to it. So, we mean to say that the rational number 0.025 is a terminating decimal expansion. Therefore, in today's class, we are going to see about the same decimal representation.
Let's move on to exercise 2.3.
Number 1. Represent the following irrational numbers on the number line. Subdivision 1, root 3. Okay. See students, first of all, take a ruler and then draw a line of any measurement. Okay. See. Then mark this point from here to over here. Mark 3 centimeter. Okay. This point. Let this point be A and let this point be B. Okay. And then step 2, you're supposed to take 1 more centimeter. Mark 1 more centimeter. Okay. Okay. And let this be C. A, B, C. Done. With A as the center and the radius must be more than half. Okay. AC we have taken more than half. Somewhat over here. Cut an arc. Okay. Usually you have to cut an arc like this. Okay. Then similarly cut an arc over here as well. 1 minute. Cut an arc below as well. Okay. With the same radius from C, cut another arc. Then cut an arc over here as well. Now you have to join these both. Okay. Then the point of intersection, mark it as O. You get it, students? A to B as 3 centimeter. Then I extended 1 more centimeter. Then with A and C as the center, what did I do? I drew a point of intersection. That is, we have drawn the angle bisector for A and C. Then what are you supposed to do is, with O as the center, you have to draw a semicircle. You get it, students? You have to draw a semicircle. Yes, we have drawn. Then next step, what are you supposed to do is, so you have B over here, right? Place a protractor. Place a protractor at B. Then mark 90 degree. See, what did I do? I just placed a protractor at B at this point and then I marked 90 degree. Then I have to join. I need not draw such a big line. I can just draw till here or beyond that, my wish. Okay, that doesn't make a difference. I have drawn a line parallel to this line. That is what is the point out there. Okay, I have drawn a point parallel to this line. This is, what is this? See, just like that, let me draw. You tell me, what is this? This is x-axis, isn't it? This is y-axis, right? Okay, that's what. So I have, this is my root 3 for y-axis. You get it? Now I have to also mark root 3 for what? X-axis. Now let us see how we have to do. See, now let us mark this point as D. Okay, this point as D. Now what you're supposed to do is, with B and D measure. Okay, till here I have measured. Then cut an arc. What are you supposed to do? Cut an arc over here. Now mark this as E. Now this till here it is root 3. Got it, students? This is how you're supposed to do.
So these are the construction for the first question. Basically, you have to draw a line and then mark a point A on it, and then mark a point B such that AB equals to 3 centimeter. Then mark a point C on this line such that BC is equals to 1 unit. Okay. Then find the midpoint of AC, that is by drawing the perpendicular bisector AC, and let it be O. Then with O as the center and OC is equals to OA as the radius, you have to draw a semicircle. Alright, after drawing the semicircle, draw a line BD which is perpendicular to AB at B. Okay. Now BD is equals to root 3, which can also be marked in the number line as the value of BE is equal to BD, that is root 3. Okay.
Okay, subdivision 2, you have to draw the number line for root 4.7. So how do I do is, I first draw a line of any measurement randomly. Next, what I do is, from here I mark 4.7. What do I do? Okay, see, this is 4.5, 4.6, 4.7 is over here. Yes. Let this point be A, this point be B. You get it? Okay. Next, I will extend it to 1 centimeter. Just 1 centimeter. And mark it as C. Till here it is 4.7 centimeter. Till here it is 1 centimeter. Okay. Next, with A and C, first of all, with A as the center, take the radius as more than half. Okay, more than half, and then cut an arc. I am drawing angle bisector. Okay, then with C as the center and with same radius, cut an arc. Next, you have to join them. Now, okay, then we have to draw a semicircle, and let us first mark this point of intersection as O. Okay, we have marked this point of intersection as O. Then let us draw a semicircle for A, with A and C at the ends. If you start from A, it has to meet at C. In case if it doesn't meet at C, which means you have gone wrong. Get it, students? Which means you have gone wrong. I have drawn a semicircle. I can also draw a circle, but it's not required as of now. Okay. Next, what am I supposed to do is take a protractor, place it at B. So B, then mark 90 degree. Okay. Now join it. Need not extend it. If you want, you can extend, or else you can stop it till here. Why am I drawing this? In order to draw a parallel line. Then mark this point, no, it as D. Then get your compass, then with B and D, measure B and D. Okay. Now, as I told you, this is your root 4.7, root 4.7 for y-axis. Similarly, I have to draw for x-axis, isn't it? So, as I told you, you have to measure it. Done. B to BD. Now cut an arc. Now this point, this, mark this as E. Now till here it is what? Root 4.7 on x-axis. This was for on y-axis, and this was for on x-axis. You get it, students?
We have to also write the construction for this sum. Again, you have to draw a line and then mark a point A on it. Then mark a point B such that AB equals to 4.7 centimeter. Then mark a point C on this same line such that BC equals to 1 unit. Then we have to find the midpoint of AC by drawing the perpendicular bisector of AC and let it be O. Then with O as the center and OC equals to OA as radius, you have to draw a semicircle. And then after drawing a semicircle, you have to draw a line BD. Okay, now this BD is nothing but it is root 4.7. You can mark the same in the number line, that is the value of BE equals to BD equals to root 4.7.
Moving on to the next question, number 2. Find any two irrational numbers between 0.301 0011 goes on and up to 0.302 See, what they are trying to tell us is, first of all, let us write 0.301 0011 etc. Okay, you should find rational numbers between these both. See, if you take like this, it looks very how do I say, complex, right? 0.301 triple, it just goes on and on. First of all, you just take into consideration 1 2 3 4. Okay, first to 4 digits, 3010. Okay, and next is what? 0.3020, I mean 2002000. In this case, again take first four, after the decimal point, first 4 digits into consideration. This becomes 3010 and this becomes 3020. Now it is clear for you all, isn't it? Now you have to find any two numbers between them. See, any two numbers, which means it can be what? 0.3011 goes on and on. Yes, and it can be 0.3012 on and on. Yes, the thing is, it has to start from here and then it has to end before 3020. That is after the decimal point, I'm saying. Okay, it has to end below 3019, means 0.3019 etc. Okay, therefore what solution I have written is 0.30120022 and 0.30130333. But then you can write any 2 points, any two numbers between, what did I say, 0.310 and 0.3020. You get it, students? Moving on to second subdivision, you have to find the rational numbers between 6 by 7 and 12 by 13. This sum you only have to do. I'll just tell you all how to do. First of all, you have to take 6 by 7 and divide it. Okay, you have to divide 6 by 7. Then whatever, you will get some decimal point. Okay, decimal answers. Similarly, 12 by 13 you have to divide. Okay, and then you have to find the decimal numbers between them. Now let's move on to third subdivision. Third subdivision says you have to find the decimal number between root 2 and root 3. Now if you see, these are what? Irrational numbers, isn't it? They are not even perfect squares. Now you have to solve, you have to find root 2. Now how will you find this out is, you will find it out using long division method. Okay, so let us write 2. Okay, step 1 is, first of all, you have to take a number which will go, wait, let me tell you one. 1 ones are 1, perfect squares only you have to take. Okay, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, and goes on. Now we have to take a number below 2. If you see, I cannot even take 2 twos are, isn't it? Because it gives me 4. So the only possibility is 1 ones are. Okay, I have written 1 over here. I have also written 1 over here. You get it? 1 ones are 1. Then I have to subtract. What answer will I get? 1. I don't have any numbers beyond that, isn't it? Now I have to put a decimal point over here. And then I can add as many zeros as I want. But then in pairs of, okay, in pairs. Get it? Now I have added as many zeros as I want. Okay. Now my second step is, what? I have this 1, isn't it? 1 has to be multiplied by 2. What will give me 1 into 2? 2. You have to put 2 over here. Then put a dash over here as well as over here. Why am I putting this is, see, whatever number you're going to put over here has to be the same. In case if you're putting 23, means you have to also put 3 over here. You get my point? Then if you're putting 21, you have to also put 1 over here. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Now what first of all, let me bring 0 down. I cannot bring 1 0 down, I have to bring 2 zeros down at the same time. So I have got 100 over here, isn't it? So I have to do what? 2 into, like 23 into 20 into 3. If I do, what will I get? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69 I get. Okay, 21 into 1 will give me 21 itself. Okay, okay, then let us do 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 125. No, what I can take? 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 9. Okay, so the only possibility is 24 into 4. You get it, students? See, again and again I'm repeatedly telling you, the condition is if 4 comes over here, 4 also has to come over here. If 5 comes over here, 5 also has to come over here. So it gives me 96. Now I have to subtract. What will I get? 4. Now what happens? I have to bring zeros down. Again I'm repeatedly telling you, we have to bring both together down. Okay, next step, you have 24, isn't it? Again 24 you have to multiply it by 2, as in just the unit place, not the tens place. Okay, so 4 into 2 will give me what? 8. Then 2, as it is, it will come down. Then I have to put a hyphen over here as well as a hyphen over here. Whatsoever number comes over here, the same number has to come over here as well. Okay, so 280. Okay, so 281 into 1, what will I get? 281 only. Okay, let us do 282 into 2. See, students, again and again I'm repeatedly telling you, do not forget to put the same number in the units place. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, then add 64. You cannot put this, isn't it? So 281 is the only number which is eligible over here. So 281 into 1 is what? 281. Now I have to subtract. What will I get if I subtract? 1 1 9 I will get. Next, what am I supposed to do? Again bring 2 zeros down. Then what will happen to this? I have to multiply it with 2, isn't it? What will happen? I will get only in the units place. 2 8 will remain as it is. 1 into 2 will give me 2. Then put a hyphen over here, put a hyphen over here. The same number should come in the units place. Okay, 282 into 2 into 2. What will I get? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. Okay, I have got 5644. Next, let us try for 2824 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1, 4 2s are 8, 9, then 8 4s are 32, 2, carry over 3, 4 2s are 8. Okay, I'll get 11296. Next, 2825 into 5. Let us try. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2, 5 2s are 10, carry over 2, 12, 5 8s are 40, 41, 4 8 5 2s are 10, 14. See, I have got 14,000. So this is not, so I can use this. What? 2824 into 4. Let me put over here. What? 11296. Now I have to subtract. I'll get the answer as 604. Again, as you know, I have to bring down the zeros. 2 zeros down. Then what will happen? Again, I have to multiply it with 2 over here. Only in the units place. This 282 will remain as it is. If I multiply, what will happen? 4 2s are 8. Hyphen. Then put a hyphen over here. Okay. So 2828 hyphen whatsoever number I'm going to put, let us see. The same number I have to put over here. If I put 2, I have to put 2 over here as well. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 8 2s are 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. Okay, So the only possible number is what? 5, 6, 5, 6, 4. I have to subtract. First of all, I did 2, no? I have to put 2 over here as well as 2 over here. Okay, students, I have to put 2 over here as well. Now I have to subtract. What answer will I get? I'll get 3,836. It goes on and on. Okay, it goes on and on. So let's stop till here. Therefore, value of root 2 will be 1.414, etc. Goes on and on. Now let us find root 3 in the similar manner. Okay, 3. Now whatsoever number comes over here, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Now tell me what can I put over here? 1 ones are, right? So 1 ones is 1. I have to subtract. I'll get 2. Now let us put a decimal point and then add as many zeros in pairs. Okay. Next, I have to multiply this with 2. 1 twos are 2. Hyphen. Then put a hyphen over here. Okay. That is 2 into what? 2 in. First of all, again bring 2 zeros down. 200. 2 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. 2 4s are 8. 9. Okay. 2 8 into 8. 8 8s are 6. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 will give us 22. I get 224. Now let us put 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49. Carry over 4. 7 2s are okay. 7 2s are 14. Carry over 4. Then add 4 to it. You will get 189. Okay. So I have to put 7 over here. 7 over here as well. So I have to subtract with 189. I get the remainder as 11. Isn't it? Then what I have to do is I have to multiply this with 2 over here. Only in the units place. What will I get the answer as if I multiply? Tell me. 7 2s are 14. 4 I have to put over here. Then carry over 1 over here. Okay. So you will get 2 plus 1 as 3. Am I clear, students? See what I did? 7 into 2 I did. 7 into 2 will give me 14. 4 only I have to put over here. 1 I have to carry over here and simply add. Just add 2 plus 1, 3. Do not multiply 2 over here and then get confused. No. Okay. 3, 4. Then put a hyphen over here. Put a hyphen over here. That is 3, 4. Whatsoever number has to come. And then bring down 2 zeros. Okay, 1100. Okay, for 344 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Carry over 1. 4 4 16. Carry over 1. 7. 1 4 3s are 12. 13. You get 1376. 342 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 2s are 8. 6. Okay, then 343 into 343 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. And then 3 4s are 12. Carry over 1. 3 3s are 9. Okay, I'll get 1029. Then I have to substitute 1029. I mean put 1029 over here and then subtract. If I subtract, I'll get 71. Then I have to bring down 2 zeros. Get it, students? Then what happens? As usual, I have to multiply 2 in the units place. That is only for this digit 3. I have multiplied. I will get what? 3 2s are 6. That's it. And 3 and 4 will come as it is. Then put a hyphen over here. Then put a hyphen over here as well. What will I get? 346 into 346 into, I can put any number, probably 2. Yeah, okay. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Carry over 1. 4 2s are 8. Carry over 1, that is 9. And then 3 2s are 6. I think this would be perfect. That is 3 4 6 2 into 2. Okay. What 6 9 2 4 I have to put. Then I have to subtract. What will I get if I subtract? I will get 176. And then it goes on and on. So let's just stop over here. What is the value of root 3? It is 1.732. What was the value of root 2? It was 1.414. 414. Now I have to find the rational numbers between them, isn't it? Rational numbers between root 2 and root 3. It starts from 1.414 and it ends 1.732. Numbers between them only you have to find. I can write any numbers. I can write 1.51 goes on, 1.61 goes on, right? I can stop till 1.72. Get it, students? That's it.
Now let's move on to question number 3. Find any two rational numbers between 2.2360679 and 2.23650 Okay. See, as I told you in the previous sum, what did we do after the decimal point? We considered the 4 digits, isn't it? Similarly, we will do the same over here. So that is a 2 point, you leave that after the decimal point 2360, just keep that in mind, okay? 2060. In this other part, if you see 2.2365, that is 2065, okay, which means all the numbers lying between 2360 and 2365 should come, okay? So the numbers are, these are just an example. There are many numbers which can come between them, okay? Many rational or irrational numbers can exist between these both. Okay, students.
Now let us do a quick review, okay? So how do we represent the following rational numbers on a number line? See, for example, root 3. Step 1, first of all, draw a line, okay? Draw a line with any measurement. Then mark from A to B 3 centimeter. And then step 2, mark 1 centimeter, as in measure 1 centimeter and mark the point C in it, okay? Then what are you supposed to do is you have to draw an angle bisector with A and C. You have to take the radius more than half and then cut an arc and from A and C respectively, and then this point is called as the point of intersection. Then from this point of intersection, draw a semicircle. After that, you have to place the protractor at B and then mark 90 degree so that you draw a parallel line. Now this line which you have drawn is a y-axis, that is you have drawn root 3 on y-axis. Get it, students? You have drawn root 3 on y-axis. Now you have to also draw root 3 on x-axis, isn't it? You have to measure BD, and then from B as the center you have to cut an arc at E. Now this BE is root 3. You get it, students? Rough tip. Now let us do a quick recap of how to draw, as in how to find root 3 using long division. You have to first of all write 3 over here, and then you have to draw a box like this. Whatsoever number comes over here has to be less. That is 1 ones are 1 only I can get over here. If I put 2 twos, I will get 4, which will be greater than this number. So I cannot do. Then I have to, what do? I have to subtract. After that I have to bring down zeros in the pair as a pair, okay? And then I can put a decimal point and then put as many zeros as I want, but then it all has to be in pairs only. That is the only condition. Then after I have to multiply this by 2. If I multiply, I'll get what? 1 into 2 will give me 2. Then I have to put a hyphen both. Whatsoever number comes over here only has to come over here. That is the other condition. Now, what appropriate number I get is 27 into 7 will give me 189. You get it, students? Then next is I have to subtract. I'll get this. Then I have to bring down 2 zeros. I'll get 1100. Again, you have to multiply by 2, but where? In the unit place. That is, this is the unit place. 2 into 7 will give me 14. I have to put 4 over here. Then I have to carry over 1 over here. You should not multiply 2 into 2 plus 1 and all. No, you have to only add 2 plus 1, 3. That's it. 3, 4, and then put 3 over here as well. Okay, both the places. And then what do I get? 1029. And then as usual, I have to repeat the same procedure. Get it, students? Thank you so much, students.